These docks are there to facilitate the boats as they launch the boats from the boat ramp. So this was an existing dock that we tore out and we've come back and put in a new dock. The previous dock was made out of wood entirely, but this dock has got a substructure of pressure treated pine wood substructure in the water and a superstructure which is aluminum. It's expected to have a longer life period of use. So we come back and so the existing boat ramps there had no changes done to it, but the docks have been replaced in their entirety. It is a freshwater lake, so the boats aren't going to be too tremendously big, but this particular boat ramp probably facilitate your basic bass boats, ski boats, pontoons. The wood substructure that's in the water is going to be in the most aggressive environment. The actual aluminum superstructure, which is the dock itself, took many years, maybe 30 years worth of service. The actual area where the wood comes in contact with the water, the pile jackets or replacement in the future, which is probably 15 years. Typical wood we use here in the southeast is pressure treated pine, and it's pressure treated for fresh water.